Seagulls are a type of seabird that are commonly found near coasts and bodies of water worldwide. Here are some key facts about seagulls. Number 1. Appearance. Seagulls have a distinctive appearance with a white or gray body, black markings on their wings and tail, and a yellow beak. They have webbed feet for swimming and long, pointed wings for soaring. Number 2. Habitat. Seagulls can be found near coastal areas, as well as lakes, rivers, and other bodies of water. They are also often found in urban areas, scavenging for food. Number 3. Diet. Seagulls are opportunistic feeders and will eat a wide variety of food, including fish, crustaceans, insects, and even garbage and human food. Number 4. Behavior. Seagulls are known for their loud calls and can often be seen flying in large groups. They are also known for their scavenging behavior and will often steal food from other birds and even humans. Number 5. Breeding. Seagulls typically mate for life and will lay 1 to 3 eggs per breeding season. They are protective of their nests and will defend them against intruders. Number 6. Conservation. Seagulls are not currently considered a threatened species, but some populations have declined due to habitat loss, pollution, and overfishing. Number 7. Interesting facts. Seagulls are known to be intelligent birds and have been observed using tools to obtain food, such as dropping shells on hard surfaces to crack them open. They also have a special gland above their eyes that allows them to drink seawater and excrete the salt. Thanks for watching.